Talking about capitalism, it's a sort of machine that you may say that it's a machine that pumps the money in the upward direction and assigns the hard work to the lower strata of society. So, in this way, it is exploitative of common people. Whenever common people have to receive something in return of their hard work, they receive a very little value. But when they have to pay for to get something from the elite in shape of services or goods, they have to pay a very high price. So the net difference is not in favor of poor people. It has an upward trajectory. Labor is a perishable commodity. So in term of value perspective and the labor perspective, both things are running against the interest of poor people. This is the reason, and no, it's not just limited to this end. It is largely supported by the mechanisms of law. Laws are beholden to the powerful elite. The structures of your economy, taxation, many other things revolve around this machine of capitalism, that is just, you may call it a very sophisticated manner its operations are being carried out. So this is the reason all over the world there are numerous voices to counter its impacts, especially if you talk about Kasar Bengali, the renowned economist of Bangladesh, who is putting his effort, such efforts we need also in our country. Cutthroat competition is on high tune and individualism is on rise. So in such an environment, individuals who want to see society on equitable basis, they should join hands together and raise their concerns regarding such situation. This is what I want to say about capitalism and the capitalist society. In particular, I'm not against capitalism, I'm actually against the irresponsible behavior of the capitalist class. Capitalism should be socially responsible.